After prying open the air conditioner trends out of the upper cover, unscrew the fixing screw. After taking out the air conditioner frame, remove the trim strips on both sides of the saddle. Remove the passenger trim. Remove the display plane shell. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Unscrew the air conditioning bottle base fixing screw. Remove the base. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the CD hose. Transfer to the original car box. Connect with the original car plug. Install the base of the original car air conditioner bottle. Install our air conditioner screen base bracket. Fixing bracket screw. Remove the buckle of the original car and install it on our air conditioner screen. Docking power cord. Install the air conditioner screen. Disassemble the display screen of the original car. Unscrew the circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew the small circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew our hardware box fixing screws. Open the box. Install a small circuit board. Fixed screw. Install a large circuit board. Fixed screw. Close the cover. Fixed for corner screws. Socket cable. No live plug-in. Blue facing up. Connect to LVDS line. Install 360 lines. Card slot audio cable. GPS antenna. 4G antenna. Panel button adapter cable. Power cord. Connect the left button cable. The button cable on the right does not need to be plugged in. The hardware frame is fixed to the back of the display screen. Fixed 4 corner screws. Install the display. The original car buckle is installed into these holes. Install the decorative panels on both sides. Install the co-pilot trim panel buckle from bottom to top. If it can't be buckled, you can cut off the following. Let's take a look at the overall effect.